My name is John Thetford, and I'm an idiot because I forgot that I said I was going to try to show this process of using ChatGPT for the video. So now I guess we're going to make two videos, but check this out. Trying to use ChatGPT to not only help me grow in the social media department, but also in our business. If you haven't already done so, check out the last video, in which in this one we're going to be making, I guess, two title runs. One for the last video that I just recorded, and then two for this current one. So hopefully I'm asking it the right questions and we can go from there. So the whole idea is, can we use ChatGPT to grow our business and grow our social medias? And this is about the only thing that I'm paying for. So I will say, to this point, it has been pretty good in the idea department, and then also kind of like, I guess, I don't want to say friend, but I guess kind of friend, you know, pretty chill. And then also like more of a partner when it comes to certain business ideas, or like bouncing out different just ideas as projects, so on and so forth. It's been really cool. So I don't know, take it for what you will. I think this is a great tool for 20 bucks a month, I think is what it is. I can't complain. It helps me more than obviously me just being by myself and having nobody to talk to. So let's figure out what we can do. So my idea is, so I just made a video. Let's type it out. I wonder if it can listen to me while we're going through the both things here. Let's find out. Allow while visiting the site. Yeah, there we go. Hello, how are you today? Let's see what that does, I guess. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, cool. So I'm guessing that it worked. I forgot to look at the other screen here. So let's see. Okay, so I just made a video overviewing what you've already outlined as far as the plan here to make $400 plus in profit a day. So I would like to have some help that we, I don't know, can use to put this video on YouTube that's very optimized in the SEO, and then also captivating, so that way folks would actually be willing to watch this. Also, can you make me an awesome graphic that I can use for a thumbnail? Let's see what happens with that. I'm curious. That was a lot. Okay, so I just made a video, blah, blah, blah. Let's see what it does. So we'll send that. And then on this other page, I'm going to, what do I need to do? It's been a while since I actually posted a video to YouTube, which is kind of sad. This seems to be taking a moment. Not a problem. Not a problem. Okay, so yeah, we're back. That took a little bit. So generating two images, and I had no idea that it would do this. This is actually pretty cool. So now I want to experiment even more. And to be honest with you, I kind of like this one better. So we'll save that. And then we'll put AI created thumbnail. Might help if I can type image. And my keyboard sucks, dude. The A on it and a couple other buttons are all jacked up. Something heavy fell on it. It is what it is. One of these days I'll get it replaced whenever I can actually, you know, get caught up on life. So I did give it a two-parter here. I asked, let's see here, if we can help put this video on YouTube, and it only made the images. So let's give it a little reminder. Also, can you let's see what that does. I don't know if that's the right question to ask or not, but I think it'd help. Okay, YouTube title idea. So it does give us a handful of ones. So I guess we can just pick our favorite. Can I make $400 a day with no budget? The hustle starts now. $400 a day profit challenge starting from scratch. No ads, no excuses. I kind of like that. Trying to make $400 plus daily with laser engraving and side hustles. Not bad. Broke dad builds $400 a day hustle from his garage. Kind of like that too. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do for the sake of these videos, I will just fairly well do a copy paste. I think this is what I've decided on. We'll do copy paste, and I don't know if I'm going to get penalized or not, or how intuitive our platforms are going to be to know. I am kind of curious, but what I would like to do is we'll copy and paste this, and then if you don't mind, and if you're interested in this, obviously, come and subscribe, and then also share this video with somebody too that you think might be interested in it, whether they're just starting a business or they're wanting to see how we can integrate with AI. Like, I want to figure out how we can streamline a lot of this different stuff, and if I don't have to think for long periods of time, like to create titles or to create descriptions, so on and so forth, like I want to help standardize a lot of this stuff, and then also see if this will actually help us grow or not. So if you don't mind, do all that fun stuff, or if you have any other ideas, drop it in the comments below. I am very curious to see if this works or not. So I'm going to pick a title for this video for the first one and go ahead and put that in there. And then I need to make a title for this one too. So let's just go ahead and do that. And let me know which video that you saw first. Did you see the one that I posted first with kind of doing the full overview, or did you see this one where we're trying to use the GPTs here to do the titles and so on and so forth? So I guess we'll do the recording of that, and then I'm hopping off here. I got stuff to do. All right, so what do I need to ask? That might help too if I knew what to ask. Cool. Let's give it a compliment. What do you call it? Channel. Might help if I can type as well. Here we go, the second one. Well, there we go. You can see everything there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here because I'm sure you don't want to watch me do all the copy and pasting, but be on the lookout for future videos where I'm going to be doing my best to show how I'm using this tool, and then also how I am growing my business and taking care of my family. So until the next time, peace, love, and chicken grease. You guys take care. Goodbye.